all kinds of ways to have fun. One is to take off in a Bronco, the sporty little fella, now the acknowledged leader of its special class. You don't have to be a businessman to have fun with America's #1 pickup that works like a truck, but rides and handles like a passenger car. You'd like it for a number of reasons. For the ride that comes from Ford's famous twin I-beam front suspension. For a new kind of smoothness and stability from a completely new kind of rear suspension called Flexomatic. You can have new push-button radio and integral air conditioning to give you even more of the comforts of a car. Beat the drums for Ranger, the ultimate in pickup luxury. With a lush interior that rivals that of most cars, Ranger is the most glamorous, the most car-like pickup anywhere. Now, a different kind of excitement. Young, eager excitement. A new Ranchero for 1968. With a new, larger cargo box and more luxurious, more comfortable surroundings for people. Ranchero swings. With power from a peppy 6 to thumping V8s. Hard-working, fun-loving, the '68 Ranchero by Ford. If you travel for recreation, try a Ford Camper Special, the pickup made especially for carrying a load like the new Goldline camper, the better idea camper of revolutionary space-age materials that's sold exclusively by Ford dealers.